Hey, today at Tambun here, checking out one store. They say it's very famous Hainanese chicken rice. This is called Billy. Let's check out. 你这边是初二16，哎，星期几关？星期日关，7点半到3点。OK。 对，原来阿红介绍我来的。是啊。是。等下有一个那个鸡胸肉的哈，你就打包，然后3拼的还有另外一个鸡胸肉的，我就在这边吃。跟你一起拍照这样。你这边开多久了？
是3年有了
3年有了啦。哦，海南 style 啦。你是比利还是？
当年的啦。
哦，那你是海南人吗？
不是
啦。
当年啊，已经当个名。
Ambil video. Sini asamnya, cantik loh. Oke, dapat. Oke.
Kasih pencet.
Okay, this is Tambun, Billy's Hainanese Chicken Rice, and you can see in front of me this 3 combo that I've ordered. We have sausage, the Chinese sausage here, and then the sioba, the roasted pork, and also the roast chicken. And this is together come with the rice, the Asam soup. I wonder why the mainland always give the Asam soup one, the chicken rice, compared to the island. They are providing this clear soup. But let me check out the taste. Very appetizing. Wow, sweet, yum, luat. But this one is not too spicy, you know. The soup is very nice. And then let me check out this one. This is the sausage, Chinese sausage. Chiong. I have to eat together with the rice. They didn't give the chili sauce. I get myself the chili sauce. This is their house chili sauce. Check out the silver. Ayo, pasang ni, makto dia. Let me check out this one. Have to dip with the chili sauce. Darn. The skin itself is very crunchy, and then the taste of the silver is savory, very nice. So this one is the roast chicken. Hang, packed with flavorful flavoring, and then the meat is also very tender. So for those that stay nearby, you want to check out this Billy, please come here.